Hey guys, it's Emoji Lovers, and today I'm going to be reviewing my slime. And I'm sorry that I always have to hold the camera weird because it's always on selfie. But I'm sorry about that. So for the rest of my slime videos, for the rest of my videos, I will be having it on like this. So this one was a slime smoothie. Before we start getting into a lot of this, today's like challenge is if you like slime with foam beads, you should press the thumbs up button and like the video. And if you don't like slime with foam beads, press the thumbs down and dislike the video. But always actually like the video. So, sorry about that. So, for today, for now, I'm going to be showing you this weird, sorry about that. This weird green slime. It was a slime smoothie I made, but it looks really cool. Sorry, there are 2 pennies over. Pennies, oh my god, what's wrong with me today? So, this is what it looks like. And it is a slime smoothie. For the next one I have is this gold slime. I really like it. It looks like this. Sorry, I don't know where to put my slime when I vlog it. If you can hear that, sorry, it's my father snoring. So sorry. But it looks like it's butter slime. Let's see. It does. Sorry. It actually doesn't curl, and it looks like it's 5 feet away, but it's really not. It's actually like 1 inch away. So I just don't know how I made this slime. Actually, I do remember how I made this slime. I used a glitter glue pen. I also used Tide. I used blue Tide. You could also use wet clear Tide. I also used Vaseline. So after you make the slime, you have to leave it loose. It has to stick to you a little, because then you can add the Vaseline, and sorry, I said Vaseline twice. So then you can add the Vaseline, and then this is how it will become. You have to add a lot of Vaseline if you want the exact consistency as mine. To add 15 finger scoops of it, and it actually doesn't even matter how big your fingers are. But let's get on. Okay, so the next one is this one. It does not poke at all. It's just plain, and it rips. I'm just gonna make a swirl, and I forgot how I made that slime. I'm so sorry if you don't want to make it. I call it banana slime. For the next slime, it's gonna be a foam bead slime. Oh my gosh, you can already hear it crunching. It's kind of hard. Yes, they can. It's kind of hard, but it's kind of hard, but it's kind of hard, but I still like it. I'm sorry, you can see my finger there. I don't know how to hold it again. So actually now you can actually see me. But this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna make a finale swirl for you. isn't a swirl even. Crunch it. Oh wow, that crunch is really good. Oh. So this next, actually, sorry you can see me moving my hands, I'm switching slimes. So the next one is the jiggly slime. It's actually homemade. These are all homemade. I used a slime kit though, but it was homemade. Like,
that one, yeah.
it doesn't like swirl because it just, actually it could. Doesn't poke. And it doesn't even stretch up. And so so the next one is this purple one.
Is that the last one?
There are 2 more after this one. So the next one, so this one is purple. I used the glitter glue, all the purple glitter glue pens in a 37 pack.
Tide.
I used Tide, the blue kind, because there's also a clear kind, which I used for this one. Sorry, this one. It's the last one I'm going to be showing you. So this one is really cool. And if your slimes aren't stretchy, you could add baby oil, which I did for this slime smoothie. I love it so much. So for the next one, so for the almost the last one, I have this one. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. No, it's not that good anyways. So I'm just gonna like make a swirl, crunch it, crunch, I'm just gonna poke it. Oh, you can't even see it. So I'm gonna just like crunch it, swirl it, poke it.
The little guy.
It's so small. And this was another Vaseline recipe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's a foam bead in it. And who cares? Dang it, I'm so bad at that. Oh my god. So, for last but not least slime I love, that's why I saved it for last, is my slime, my fluffy slime, which I just made today. It looks like so cool, but if you don't know this about fluffy slime, like it takes a long time to stretch. Like you have to be very patient. You have to put very slowly, and soon it will stretch. I'm sorry, mine does not want to stretch right now. Mad at me. My slime can get mad at me. So, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. So, this is one last look of all the slimes. They're all going to be upside down so you can see them, I think. So, this is what they look like outside of their container. Okay, once again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Bye! Slime.